If another driver backs into your car, they're not at fault. You are. Or at least that's the opinion of most police and insurance agency in every country. If only you had a dash camera. A dash camera can save your day, and it provides a rock-solid, nearly indisputable alibi. In this video, our team has compiled the best 5 dash cameras that are high-performance, affordable, reliable, and easy to use. Welcome to another video for my review channel. We are going to compare the best 5 dash cameras available today and help you choose one for you. When you are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found, and don't forget to subscribe. These are the best 5 dash cameras we will compare today. Please leave us a comment when you've just already found your favorite. Now, let's get into the video. First on our list of best 5 dash cameras is the Garmin Dash Cam 55. Garmin Dash Cam 55 is an extremely small and unique dash camera. It has a 2.0-inch LCD display, wide-angle lens, with 3.7 megapixels, which allows you to capture high-quality 1440 videos as you go along the road. It also has an automatic incident detection called G-Sensor that enables the GPS to record real-time footages. In addition to its features, it gives advanced driver alerts such as forward collision that notifies you if you drive too closely to the car ahead, and the lane departure warning, which alerts you if you stray away from your lane. It also integrates red light and go alerts. What's more amazing is that the Garmin Dash Cam is voice controlled, which allows you to command it to start or stop audio recording while your hands are on the wheel. Just say, "Okay Garmin," to save video, take a picture, or start or stop recording. Just as simple as that. The Garmin Dash Cam comes with a built-in Wi-Fi that enables you to wirelessly sync videos to your compatible smartphone. All you need to do is download the free Verb app. This makes sharing the videos easier with friends, legal authorities, or insurance agencies. Overall, the Garmin Dash Cam 55 has all the essential aspects that you would need. Its wealth of features will definitely make your driving a good experience. Let's move on to the next. Second on our list is the Thinkware X500D Dash Cam. Meet the Thinkware X500D Dash Cam, a modular dual-channel dash cam which provides a clear, full HD 1080p front and rear cam Sony Exmor image sensor for complete surveillance of your vehicle. Because it uses the same sensor and lenses, the video quality is similar for both views. So whether you're driving during daytime or at night, the Thinkware can assure you it won't miss any details. It also comes with a high-performance 32GB UHS-1 microSD card, integrated with SPOR or sudden power-off recovery technology, which recovers the capture in case of unexpected power-off. The dash cam has an impact-activated G-sensor that saves the footage 4 seconds prior and 2 seconds after the event to both the camera's internal memory and SD card. This is to back up the file and make sure that no data is lost. If you want to record something but it doesn't trigger the G-sensor, you can use the lock file function, where 10 seconds before and 50 seconds after the button is pressed will be captured and saved to your SD card. You can hardwire it to your car's electrics to enable parking surveillance mode, recording 10 seconds before and after the event is detected. In terms of driver awareness, it boasts of its lane departure, front collision, red light and speed camera alerts, and updates the driver with the most accurate events. If you want a dash cam for better video quality and can withstand the test of time, the Thinkware X500D Dash Cam is definitely a great choice. Third on our list of best 5 dash cameras is the Mobius Action Cam. Introducing the Mobius Action Cam, the mini camera packed with impressive features. This camera is just a bit bigger than your car remote, measuring only at 2 by 1 by 1 inches and 1.2 ounces in weight. What's great is it is able to record videos at 1080p resolution at 30 FPS or 720p at 60 FPS. It also has a loop recording feature, which provides 5-minute clips with 1-second video overlap and avoid loss of footage. When you press the mode button while in loop record mode, it will take the current clip being recorded. Its photo capture mode offers all native pixels frame sizes of 2048 by 1536, 1920 by 1080, or 1280 by 720. It has 4 video recording cycle time settings that ranges from 5, 10, 15 minutes and a max recording size of 4GB files each. It has a 2-hour battery life to capture more action while you're on the go. You might also consider adding a power bank. However, all viewing is done on your computer or an attached TV. You can use it as a car camera. Of course, you would need a car mount and a car adapter, and the Mobius will start or stop recording based on driving without you pressing the record button. Its wide-angle view and video quality makes you able to see the road with ease and clearly spot any license plate. It also includes a time-lapse mode, where the camera will automatically take time-lapse still images. This dash cam is one of the most sophisticated mini cameras around. It's tiny yet powerful and affordable, obviously, the best budget camera. Let's go to the next. Fourth on our list is the Lucas LK7950WD. With Lucas LK7950WD, you can enjoy real-time Wi-Fi viewing whether you're on your computer, smartphone, or tablet. You can access the video by simply downloading it directly to your Wi-Fi enabled device. You can also use onboard SD storage as backup, either for drive continuous or event-based videos. Its device menu complements your lifestyle with its advanced and easy settings for camera functions. Its continuous recording feature allows you to record video sequences every 3 or 5 minutes. When the storage is full, it automatically deletes older files to maintain continuous storage. Its event recording feature is G-sensor activated and allows the system to record and store footage of 10 seconds before and 20 seconds during the event. In case of light impact events, its parking and motion detection recording keeps things on track. Plus, it has dual storage options, allowing you to save recordings separately on SD and microSD slots with up to 16 GB capacity. In addition, it reduces its battery performance during cold weather. This dash cam is well equipped with a safety mode function that is configured to set cutoff voltage according to the season. How amazing is that? Aside from its memory and storage efficiency, the LK7950 is built to withstand extreme temperatures. The LK7950WD makes it on the list because of its features that outmatch other dash cams on the market. It is highly sophisticated with best video quality and impressive functions. Finally, last on our list of best 5 dash cameras is the Wrexham V1. The Wrexham V1 presents itself with a discreet, low-profile design that is great to set up as a hidden witness to the road ahead. Its full HD recording features the Sony Exmor IMX323 image sensor, which captures vivid full HD 1080p video at 30 FPS. Plus, the camera adjusts to lighting exposure to provide balanced and clear footage and images. It also comes up with a 170-degree angle with 7-layer glass lens that gives an optimum view of the surroundings. Its loop recording feature enables you to split the recorded video into 3, 5, or 10-minute segments. It supports memory cards up to 128 GB in memory size. Like other advanced dash cams, it features accident auto detection, thanks to its G-sensor, which detects collision through its built-in gravity sensor and keeps the footage protected. The Wrexham V1 is easy to install, allowing you to mount it to your windshield through applying the included adhesive mount. In addition, it has a high temperature resistance that is able to withstand a 140-degree operating and 160-degree storage temperature, making the Wrexham V1 is ready to record in any climate. The Wrexham V1 is among the top choice of best dash cameras available today. Its affordability, features, and functions meet the demands and standards of every driver, making them safe and convenient while on the road. This wraps up our list of the best 5 dash cameras 2018. Hope we have helped you to choose the right one for you. Have you chosen one already? Please comment below with your choice number. Are you ready to buy any of these? Look at the text below. We have looked for the best offers out there for all of them. Help us spread the voice. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and tell your friends about it. Together, let us build a growing community. We are looking forward to your comments to improve this review. If you have other products you would like us to look into, just let us know. Our team of experts in each area are always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.